Hello guys, welcome to Buzzstone Confess. Wondering that adding a user to Facebook Business Manager account can be as easy as in counted 5 to 6 steps? Yes, it is. It's only a matter of 5 to 6 steps, which would include 10 to 15 clicks, and you can add user to your Facebook Business Manager account, right? So let's start the session. And before we start, can I please request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned with us for more digital marketing tutorial videos. So let's start our session. So before I go on to the ad manager or business manager, let me tell you something why it is important to add user in any business manager account. So basically this is being practiced by any brand, those who own business manager account, or by a company or an agency, advertising agency, those who want to grant access to any of the account to any employee or to any other user, to any partner, to any other service provider, basically, and business manager allows you to do so with the limitation in the access level as well. So let's quickly see what all things are available in the section. So like once you log into your ad manager or business manager whatsoever you have, so one may not have the ad manager if they are doing business manager, sorry, if they are operating as a personal account, but you can create one business manager account where there are lots of benefits, and this is one of the important benefits of the business manager, having a business manager account, right? So click on this menu button from the left navigation, go on the business settings. You'll get a list of settings under the business manager account, where you will get to see the assets owned by the business, that particular business manager account, and on the top there would be users, right? So this is, there would be multiple options given, all the assets being owned by this respective business manager account. So now that we are planning to add users, you just need to simply click on this menu to collapse, and then here it is people, right? So once you click on the people, so you'll be on this window, right, where it would be asking you to add the user. Click on add, and you just simply need to enter any of the email ID for that respective user. Okay, there's a condition that once you are trying to add user or the user's email ID directly here, that email id must be associated with any Facebook account. Then and there only that user can access that Facebook ad manager. And it's very obvious, is if that email id is not associated with the Facebook account, he or she cannot access to the Facebook ad manager, right? So once you will grant the access, once you enter the email id, right, it will ask you what all access you want to give, to this user, right? So once you enter, so it's like employee or admin, and of course you want to give the employee access. And if you give the admin access, they will have a full control over this business account, regardless of any ad account, any pixels, any Instagram account, whatever you have in this business account, all that can be handled by the user. So like if you want to give the employee access, just enter the email id, click on next, and you'll get all the assets related to this business account here, right? You can choose each and every one which you want to give access to, like pages. So there is one page you want to give access to that user, so select that page, and then the access level, whether you want that user to give only published content or message, or you want to give full authority to that user. So it depends totally on you. Once you have granted the access, the access, then you can click on invite. That user will simply get notification in that respective email. They have to click on that email, open the notification, and accept that invite. Until unless that user accepts the invite, he or she cannot find this access or the page or the ad account, whatever you have granted. Until unless he or she accept that invitation, they cannot see it from their Facebook ad account, right? So this is simple, and but this is very mandatory step for any agency or for any business unit to add users on different level, right? And they might be adding user, as I said, you might be required to grant access for selected pages owned by this business. There might be a couple of them. Then you must be having different ad accounts for different advertisers or different clients of yours, and you want to give add account access of one ad account to any particular employee or any agency or any partner, you can do that once that user is added into your business account from the previous step, as I told, right? And you can grant access to whatever asset you want that is being owned by your business manager account, right? So just try at your end once it is required, and please let me know in case you face any issues, right? Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and stay home. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.